Hey, are we live? Look, who's that over there? It's everybody.
Hi, everybody.
See? Yeah. You ready to cook with Daddy? What are we gonna cook today?
We're gonna cook. I don't know what to cook.
We're gonna make an omelet.
We're gonna make an omelet.
We're gonna make an omelet. Yeah.
Are we gonna use this and that and that and that and that and that and that?
Yeah, we are. Boy, be careful with this. All right.
Are we gonna...
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hi
guys. It is a snow day, Monday, and
Monday.
yeah, and we're gonna go and do an omelet. Hey Joe, you wanna say hi? Come here. Hey, say hi guys.
Hi.
All right.
Hi.
We're gonna make an omelet.
We're
You
gonna
wanna make an
make
omelet,
an
Joe?
omelet, Joe. We're gonna make an omelet, everybody.
Yeah. So, for those of you that have followed my Instagram, there is a post on there about Bella's Kitchen where I ate. Yeah, baby.
You can have the mushroom, and I can have 2 eggs.
Yes, maybe. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
So on Bella's Kitchen in New Haven, I had this omelet. It was a wild mushroom with goat cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. That was phenomenal. So you guys can see that there. So today, I'm going to recreate that with my little co-host over here. So she wanted to cook with me, and so I said, all right, so let's go. So as you know, guys, also, I jacked up my finger, so wanted to talk briefly about that. You got that? Really? That's what you're gonna do right now? Thank you. I appreciate it. You're silly. You're silly. So we're gonna do a 3-egg scramble, and
Papa, can I make 2, Papa?
yeah. Turn. Remember, you turn. You turn the bowl. You turn the bowl. This is cooking.
This is cooking time.
Cooking time with Hannah.
And my Papa.
Yeah? Did you want to tell something to them?
Yeah.
About my channel?
We gonna subscribe my daddy's channel.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what does Daddy do on his channel?
He makes yummy food.
Yeah? Do you like Daddy's food? Yeah? It's
And
yummy.
I like Mama's food too.
Yeah, Mommy knows how to cook very well too.
Yeah, but not great.
Hey, we don't say goodbye. So guys, we're gonna do this. Also on that picture was these potatoes, and
Potato.
yeah, they were potatoes. They're really good. I already cooked those because those take a little long. I don't want to make this post too long, but so we're gonna do that. So
Papa,
something new. Can I get that?
Yeah.
What are these?
Mushrooms.
These are mushrooms.
Are you gonna cut them?
Yeah, we're gonna cut them.
Yeah.
So
Papa, don't cut your other thumb, okay?
what happened to Daddy's thumb?
It broke like a big little boo-boo.
The big boo-boo, and it was bleeding, right?
Yeah,
So the issue the other day was that I was actually cooking. I was trying to make some French fries, and since I don't use my mandolin slicer that much, it got stuck, and I was trying to fix it, and I nicked a good piece of my thumb off. So I was upset because I really wanted that burger that I was talking about, but it was all good. Hannah was there, right? Did you take care of Daddy? Yeah, you took care of Daddy. So we're doing, we're just cutting up some mushrooms. I don't have wild mushrooms, but you could use like cremini mushrooms. You can do some of those stuff. What we're gonna do is, I'm not gonna move the camera, but we're just gonna stick these into a pan with a little bit of oil.
Yeah, oil. Papi, I want to pull that oil.
You want to pour oil?
Yeah.
Here,
Oh, it's heavy.
throw it in. Squeeze. One, all done.
Now let's put the mushrooms in.
Yeah, you gonna put the mushrooms
We're
in?
gonna put the mushrooms in, babe. We're gonna make them up with syrup.
We're gonna for syrup. Yeah, we're gonna cook these up on medium. On medium.
Yeah.
We're gonna get that going.
We're gonna use some extra spinach with this and cheese and this.
This little girl.
And some red and some sugar.
Some salt.
My salt and some milk.
Yeah, that's actually, this is for the eggs. We forgot about the eggs and the milk.
Yeah, we
Yeah? Eggs in the milk make it fluffy.
Yeah, fluffy, fluffy, fluffy.
Right, a little more than that. Alright, so my attempt is going to be to make an omelet. It's going to be to make an omelet. But omelets are very tricky because you got to cook them right and then be able to like flip them. So we're just going to do this quick.
Papa cannot mix because it has a little bubble.
It has a what?
It has bubbles.
It has bubbles, yeah. So trying to make them nice and fluffy.
Yeah,
So yeah, that was my thumb issue. So today, these guys already ate breakfast. It's my turn. It's actually 11:30. But I was trying to make a little show for you guys. So
I just messed my hair.
yeah, I did your hairs because last time you were on the show, you kind of looked all crazy. Yeah. Silly. So anyways, what we're gonna do is the omelet. What I was going to tell you was that on YouTube, you can find my channel, just Gami Rosa. Subscribe and... yeah, Hannah's going to be my co-host for my lives, so that way you guys can see her, right? You're going to be cooking with Daddy?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so we got these...
Love you, Papa.
I love you too, baby. Can I get a kiss? All right.
Love you.
I love you too. Did you want some spinach?
Yeah, I really like it.
You like spinach?
Yeah,
So to our mushrooms, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. What happened? Hey, don't do that. Not on the TV. Really? You just ate like 5 of those. Good job, little girl. All right. So we got a little bit of that. You know what? Do you guys want to go see what I'm doing over there? Hold that thought.
Papa, what's this?
That's garlic, baby.
For what?
A little close. Let's come over here.
Papa, wait for me too.
And what we're doing here is we're just doing a quick. We're doing a little bit of just sauteing this a little bit. This is gonna go into our. Yeah. So we're just gonna saute this a little bit. Add a little bit of salt.
Put some salt.
Yeah, you know how to cook, little girl.
Yes,
We're gonna do a little bit of salt. Yep. Do a little saute here. Hey. You don't have to yell. Everybody can hear you. All right. So we're doing this here. Okay. I think we need a little bit more oil. Hannah didn't squeeze enough in there. Didn't want her to go too crazy, but let's add a little more. Okay. Wait for Daddy. Okay. So we're gonna. Okay. So I also wanted to show you guys over here. I have some potatoes that I did earlier. They take a little longer, so I did those earlier. There's just some red potatoes. I had made some bacon before, and I took the bacon fat. And then put the potatoes in there, sauteed those for a bit, and then added a little bit of salt, pepper, I added also some green pepper, red pepper, some onions, and kind of just let that sit in the fat and let that render for a bit. Those are ready for plating in a minute. All right. Okay. So cooking with a 4-year-old, she doesn't know her volume. But these mushrooms are good. I know I'd say al dente a lot, but that's what we do. I like my mushrooms with a little bit of bite in them, so it's going to be pretty good. So let's come back over here, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Let's go there. Can you guys see everything? Perfect.
Hi,
Nice.
everybody.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our mushrooms, we're going to put those over here for now.
Yeah, we're going to put it in a big bowl, Papa. You
Yeah.
know that.
Put this there, and now we're going to start.
Are we going to use that?
Not yet, sweetheart, not yet.
Oh, man.
Yep, not yet. So, now, for our omelet, I want to make, I got to make this a little
Daddy,
clean.
when are you going to put omelet in it?
So, what we're getting, what?
Are we going to put omelet?
Yeah, we're going to make an omelet right now. So, just going to clear this off so that way.
Are we going to put
the eggs.
With
Yeah. Yeah.
Papi, what's this for?
That's for the eggs. We're gonna put that inside. We're gonna put some sun-dried tomatoes, some goat cheese, and some mushroom inside. It's gonna be yummy. It's gonna be great.
And who's going to eat it?
Me.
Good.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Okay, so we're gonna be prepping for our eggs in a second. So I'm gonna take some of the spinach,
Papa,
and I'm
I
gonna.
want to take some of this spinach too.
Here, you can have that. So I'm gonna dice this up a little bit because I'm gonna stick this inside with the eggs. I'm just gonna take some of
Eat the
this.
spinach. Papa,
Okay.
can I eat the last spinach?
You can eat that, Mama. Okay.
Papi,
So I'm gonna put this in my eggs. Put it here.
We're making the omelet and Papi's going to eat it.
Yeah, no doubt. Yo, you singing? All right, nice. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make this into our pan, okay? And then we're gonna get ready to plate really, really fast.
Yeah, plate.
So we're traveling, people. We're traveling. We're traveling.
Yay!
All right, so back over here, we have our pan, medium,
Papa.
okay? And then, don't put that in your mouth. Put that over there.
Yum.
We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Yummy. That's so delicious.
Add a little bit of
I
olive
never
oil.
eat that before when I was a little girl.
Yep. A little bit of olive oil.
Papa, I need.
And we're gonna need our
I
eggs.
didn't eat that olive.
And what we're gonna do- What we're gonna do is to put. Hannah, I hear what you're saying, baby. So this is nice and ready to go. So here's the trick. Here's the thing that I kind of researched because I didn't know what it was. Again, you can do a couple of things, but we're gonna go ahead, and as soon as we go here, we're gonna go ahead and do a figure 8 pattern. This is what I was researching. Right, pulling all this here, and then what you do is just kind of let it sit, let it do its thing. Okay. So we're just gonna leave that there for a second. And then see, I'm gonna put this up just a tad. All right, so once this is ready, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take it off the stove, add in our sun-dried tomatoes and our goat cheese, and then flip it, and then that's pretty much it. That's pretty banging. It's gonna be great. So again, I found this, I saw this in Bella's Kitchen in New Haven. Went to breakfast with a friend of mine, and it was amazing. So like I said, I'm gonna try to do this. If not, it's just gonna be a scrambled eggs. But we'll see. It's live TV, people. I can't edit this. Like I said, I got my little girl with me. Okay, edges are going good. We're gonna actually just do kind of one of these.
Yes, we are, Papa.
We're gonna go like this. Kind of get the edges a little.
Oh, but we don't
Fill in the little
put,
holes.
We don't want to put the armor on it and
Okay.
eggy.
So we're gonna see how this turns out. Now, one of the things as I was researching how to do the omelet and make sure that it was good is you want to undercook it just a little bit because it's going to continue cooking after. You okay, baby? Did you eat all that spinach?
No.
Silly girl.
No, I didn't.
So we're almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. Go back. You.
Papi, I wanna go back.
And it's still a little there. So we're just waiting. Like I said, we'll see if it turns out into an omelet. The expectation, everything is, see how it's cooking underneath. I got it at a medium heat so that way the eggs don't burn on the bottom. So again, this is still a little runny for me. Just gonna let that cook. I'm just kind of clearing the edges a little bit. Okay? No, leave that there. Leave it there. Leave it there, sweetheart. Leave it there. Thank you, baby. I know. Daddy's gotta... So, just clearing this out. We're almost there. Alright.
We're almost there, everybody.
Okay. This is still... It's like you gotta time it nice so that way it's still creamy. Still good, but you want to make sure that it's cooked. So I'm gonna go and bring over my mushrooms.
Yeah, yummy mushroom.
Okay, I'm gonna bring over my mushrooms and I'm gonna go on this side. gonna go there. Then we're gonna add our sun-dried tomatoes. I don't know if you're gonna like it, sweetheart. So this is still there. We're gonna add our sun-dried tomatoes right here. Sun-dried tomatoes and goat cheese make an amazing combo. Great flavor profile. It's really good. I love it. Okay, we're gonna add that there. Our eggs are almost done. So now we're gonna add our goat cheese.
Yucky, ugly salad.
You didn't like it, babe? Okay. So we're gonna take our goat cheese. Okay, we're gonna take our goat cheese. And then we're gonna get ready to flip in 2 seconds. Goat cheese is very creamy, it's almost like a cream cheese, a little softer.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna add that there, and I think that's about it. Now we're gonna get ready to flip. So,
Papa, can we use this?
hold on, baby girl.
Papa,
All right.
use this yet?
Let's come back over here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. That's for my daughter. My daughter's a trip. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna clear up. Hey, silly.
Papa, this looks like
Now I can't use that because you put it on your hair, but that's okay. So
Sorry,
now,
Papi.
that's okay. Now we're gonna get ready to plate. Really? All right, so we're gonna add our.
Yummy, delicious, yummy, sappy, poopy butt.
Poopy. What? What are you talking about? You're such a 4-year-old. All right, so as you can see, it's still going. So now let's see if this is gonna work. The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go like this.
Mommy, why did you people don't
Ah, the moment of truth, it failed. So let's do this. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over.
It looks
What
like
failure!
that looks like a pancake.
Yeah, it looks like a pancake. So what we're gonna do is go like so. Guys, I failed. I failed. Epic failure.
Oh!
Epic failure. We tried. We tried.
We tried milk.
So, doesn't look too pretty.
Now let's add a little bit of this.
So, epic failure, but
But
all of the flavor is gonna be there. Now we're gonna kind of look at, thank you very much, leave it there. Thank you very
I'm
much.
gonna crack it up.
Yeah, hey, can you say bye, everybody?
Bye bye.
All right, I gotta figure out what I did wrong, okay? So do me a favor, hey. All right, so we're gonna go like this. We're gonna bring over our potatoes here. Hannah Bear. Now, let's see what we got. Come here. You want to taste the potatoes? You want to taste potatoes?
Yeah, potatoes.
Okay. All right. So, omelet didn't go too well, but all the flavors there. Potatoes are good. You want to try potatoes? You want to try potatoes, Joe?
Yeah.
You want to try potatoes? Hold on. Oh, that's good. Watch out, Joe. Come over here. Come over here, Papa. So let's look at the. Over here is where the goat cheese is.
Good.
You don't like goat cheese, Hannah?
No.
Well, Daddy does. All right.
It's making potatoes.
It's all good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see what happens. Chef in training, ladies and gentlemen.
Bye-bye, everybody and gentlemen.
All right, guys. Have a good one. Maybe next time we'll have a
Maybe
success
next time.
with our omelets.
Maybe
Deuces.
next it. I'll see you in our video tomorrow.
All right.